fave in right now. Starting off strong with our fave grape crush. What you know about grape crush, guys? Like, this is a classic. This is not an all the time thing because it's mad sugary. Oh my goodness. 270 calories. 73 grams of sugar. That's wild. But this is just for tonight, right? Okay, so this is one of our favorite what would you say, Guyanese Chinese restaurants, Hakka style. Y'all know about Hakka? If you're in the States, whatever, I don't know if you guys know about that. But anyways, so this is what we normally get. So starting off with some spring rolls. Okay, step 2. Then we decided to get wings. Oh my gosh. So it's like Chinese style. Get into it. And special chicken fried rice. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? And it smells so good. Stop. So normally we get this. It's a Friday, so you see my red sauce? They said this girl never give me my red sauce. Okay, anyways, I ordered my sweet and sour sauce. She did not add that to the bag. But these will do. She gave me these sauces. Maybe they didn't have any. You know what these are. It's the same thing. Plum sauce. No, it's not the same thing. That's the vibe for tonight. Nobody now cook.
I must have done it outside. Ooh, I messed it up. Oh, baby, you said you like the chicken, so I ain't gonna eat too much of the chicken, cause...
No, it doesn't. No, that's not what I was saying. There's so much wings.
Yeah,
like,
I thought you said you got sick of the wings. So.
No, the honey
Did
garlic.
you get wings in the person last time?
I ate them.
Oh, I thought you didn't like them.
No.
This hot sauce, bomb, diggity hot sauce. And this is how I get down with my hot sauce, cause you know, I ain't playing that.
Pepper sauce, boy. The pepper sauce.
Big up on yourself now.
What was your city here? Oh, here. This is all it.
The next station is Islington Station.
Can you blame me? Baby, tell me. Okay guys, so I just came back from the gym and I need to make something to eat. I did glutes, quads and glutes today, so just trying to get back around to myself, get into working out, keeping my body moving. Yeah, my face is breaking out so bad. Like the change in the location, the lack of sun, like my hair is super dry. Not getting that extra vitamin D really does something different to your body. Like, I don't know. But yeah guys, that's where it's at right now. And we out here,